This is Joe Siri versus Happy. We've got oh man, Grand Tour. Joe's running on that Grand Tour. What is that?
Detached tour guide, activate effect.
Select one face up effect monster on the field and its effect is negated and it cannot destroyed. Destroy this card.
Break that any other ways.
It's basically a spellbinding.
Not really.
I think Shadow Spell is a spellbinding circle on steroids.
Yeah, maybe so.
Let's go with this one. Activate tour bus. Overlay.
It's kind of an experiment to see how I do with people banging it. I wouldn't really expect it too much. I don't expect to do like fantastic. Nothing like that.
Oh man, this is a very tiny camera. I could see better if I just look with my eyes. I think somebody got looped.
Oh my god.
Who are you?
Huh?
Who are you?
Who am I?
Yeah.
I don't know.
You have a name, don't you?
Yeah, Jamie.
Hi, Jamie. My name is Chris.
What's up, Chris?
Are you new here?
I came a couple months ago, then I stopped coming. He gave mine for his birthday. And I picked the other one. And the one I gave him.
I have your other pile in my pocket right now. I'm going to be looking through this one. Oh man, Joe, what turn number is this?
This is turn 2.
All right. And cards in hand is 1. Field
Why
is
we
good.
can't have nice things because
You're why we can't have nice
just
things.
discard them out of your hand. Go ahead.
Oh, he runs a DD Warrior Lady. That's called ballsy.
Oh, that's a second DD Warrior Lady.
Wow.
Let's see.
In case you don't know or you can't see, we got Zen Main and Zen Meister.
I'll activate Max C.
He activated Max C.
Of all the draw cards that exist.
That mandatory effect.
I would have done it for Kiwis. Have you seen his channel yet?
No, I did not see Joe's channel.
Kiwis, you should see stupid puns about windup.
Can I do that? Should I do 2?
Really?
You want to give some puns while you're dueling, maybe?
I already did.
Oh god.
Can't have nice things because wind-ups discard them right out of you. And
Did you see the photo on my Facebook, which is the newspaper that said local man yells at card games, windups can go F themselves with a rake?
card.
I should link. It's on my page.
Getting him all wound up.
We're getting all wound up.
What are you guys playing for?
25.
200? Oh, whatever.
Maybe he's about to spring into action. That would be the Zen
That's what he
Man.
did. He did say that in his video.
Attack is that means and I will attack. Go ahead.
And you're actually making Zen Master look okay.
Yeah, the Reaper would be a good idea.
I got the one I got.
How is he trying to soft cheat?
Who's trying to soft cheat? No, it doesn't.
Go ahead.
But it depends how they. Well, actually, King Tiger, I think, would blow things up. Huh? No, I meant like I think it would blow up before it's removed. Huh?
It's like afterwards, like the turn following.
Oh. Really? Oh man. Now there's a factory on the field, and there's a Miguel next to me.
Damn.
This is a very tiny camera.
It is. I think it was pretty nice though.
It is cute. That's a little HDMI cable. How you doing, Miguel?
Alright. Why didn't you answer?
Huh?
Why didn't you answer?
Came in late, didn't have a deck, sleepy. I think I'm hung. Nah, I'm not hungover. I'm kidding.
Did you win your last one?
I'll enter again one day. One day.
What the hell's going on here?
I can try. But I'm not going to. I'm just going to.
Joe's gonna do something. We're 5 minutes in. He detached. Oh man. Yeah, he can target himself. And what? Exceeds can go face down. No, Reaper has to resolve him. I mean, the effect has to resolve completely, and by that time Reaper's down. And he can only target his own monsters. So.
Oh, I didn't even know that.
Yeah, that's why it's bad.
Do you think that skill drain killed that winner?
Yes, actually.
The rabbits still go off.
No, because skill drain, target rabbit, nothing.
You can't go rabbit.
You can go rabbit, but rabbit will do nothing because skill drain goes like nothing comes back. I mean, I can't remove anything.
Oh, okay.
It's just like if you affect Belly to Phoenix chain a rabbit. Just think skill drain.
So it's the same thing, so you can remove it too, right?
No, it can't. That's not a cost.
Oh, that you should have just said that in the
I
beginning.
done.
To let you have those expressions. That's my sponsor.
I hate Shark. Lineups didn't need a Grandmaster. I'm saying it now. Lineups didn't need a cute Grandmaster. It has giant eyes. Alright, game one goes to Joe. Miguel takes over for recording. Alright.
This is a very tiny camera.
Stop the.
Middle button?